Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. This is a short video to show you how to make your own DIY air mask at home and to show you how to make it very quickly. So the first things you'll be needing are 2 eggs, an avocado, mayonnaise, grapeseed oil and castor oil. One item that I noticed that I'm missing from this ingredient is honey. I completely forgot to add this to my DIY, but you can always do this if you have honey at home. And of course you need a bowl to mix your DIY air mask. So I start by using a fork to mash the avocado. Now I struggle to mash the avocado as I would have preferred it to be, so I just went ahead and brought out my mixer. So I added the avocado, eggs, mayonnaise, and now I'm adding my grapeseed oil, and after that the castor oil, and I begin to mix. So whilst the avocado mask is blending, I just wanted to give you a quick fact, and it's a great option for helping repair dry, brittle or damaged hair. And the reason why I'm using this is because I want my hair to feel really shiny and soft and grow. So even after blending using the mixer, it's still got a lot of bits in it, and I for one don't want to have any bits in my hair. So I go on and take my strainer and I strain as much of the DIY avocado air mask out into a bowl, using my fingers to rotate. And this is what the end result looks like. This is a perfect avocado mask without any bits in it. As you can see, the consistency is, it's not particularly thick, but that's okay. It's the content that matters, not the consistency. So as usual, I go ahead and separate my hair into 4 sections, and I start to apply the air mask to the back section. The grapeseed oil is a great addition because it actually really helps with the smell. For those who are probably worried about the smell of the egg, the grapeseed oil masks the smell of the egg and it actually smells really nice. So you can use any oil you want. You can use olive oil, castor oil, argan oil, any oil at all. But I really like the grapeseed oil because it smells really great and also has a lot of great benefits for growing our natural hair. So in this section I wanted to show you in real time what the mask actually does to my hair. I didn't want to waste any of the mask. As you can see, I literally dipped the ends of my hair into the bowl to absorb every little mask left. And so I go on to finger detangle, and this really helps because this is quite gentle on my hair. And I just separate every little strand and remove any knots or any shed hairs in my hair. I am so impressed with this mask. I really didn't expect it to do such a great job. As you can see, my hair is extremely defined and it's already feeling well moisturized. You can see all the definition right here. So the rest is simple. I just go ahead as I normally would, using a wide tooth comb this time around rather than a Denman brush, and I just go ahead and detangle a bit more. Now the key to getting this air mask to really work and hydrate your hair is to apply heat, and this is where once I've coated my hair completely with the DIY mask, I'm going to go ahead and sit under my hooded dryer for about 20 minutes so my hair can soak up all the great vitamins and the benefits of the ingredients. So you can either do this once a month or maybe once every 6 weeks. But if your hair is really dry and is in need of moisture, then maybe you can do this every 3 weeks or even every 2 weeks. So yeah guys, this is what a simple DIY hair mask can do for you. It really deep conditions our hair, it promotes hair growth, adds a lot of moisture, hydrates all the strands, and most importantly your hair feels really soft after adding heat. If you don't have a hooded dryer, you can always leave the avocado mask overnight and just make sure your head is covered tightly. There you go guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them down below. Don't forget to share, like, and don't forget to subscribe. Click on that subscribe button now, and thanks again for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.